Number 1, we have the Waterdrop 200-gallon water filter. The Waterdrop 200-gallon water filter stands out for its impressive filtration capacity and build quality. This filter is NSF 42 and NSF 372 certified, ensuring it effectively reduces contaminants like chlorine, lead, fluoride, and arsenic, while also being made from lead-free materials. The 7-stage filtration technology enhances water taste and removes odors, providing clean and safe drinking water. The filter's design is both practical and user-friendly. It features a large 20-cup capacity that fits most refrigerators, a smart LED indicator to remind you when to replace the filter, and a push-and-pull handle for easy maneuverability. The anti-slip and bottom-sloping design further enhance its usability, making it easy to handle even when full. Additionally, the filter has a long lifespan of up to 200 gallons or 2 months, reducing the need for frequent replacements. So that sums up my top